Yeah. Hey, fellas. Greg from Clearwater 124. It's a little update. I got to mute Mr. Patrick. A little update on this GNS tire drawer. I have completed assembly. Let me make sure I have everything in the frame here. It appears I do. I've completed assembly. I've assembled an axle on the pulley. And it does work. I'll show you how it works, but I'm not going to do a lot of grinding here. I don't want to do it in the house. This will be set up outside where my saws and drills are and soldering iron and everything. Because I don't want to make a mess in the house because I can see already it'll be messy. I have a little power supply here, variable. I'll just turn it on the lowest setting. You can see it running. It's running, it's taking some material off. You adjust it with this knob here for pressure. And the bushing slipped out. There was in the instructions, there was a recommendation to glue all the tires on. I have not done that with these. I just wanted to try it out. That may be the cause of what just happened, but I'm not sure. Yeah, okay, those bushings are back in. Let's try it again. Take a little pressure off. There you go, it's taking a little off. Let's see this one. One not so much. Yes, it is, actually. And then you use this little screw here to get this even so that both tires are touching the same. It looks to me like it's going to work, and I'll tell you what, this is a well-built piece of equipment. The instructions are superb. Greg Dobb deserves compliments on this build. I'll after I get a chance to use it and I learn how to use it properly, I will update a review on it. But I'm pretty happy with the way this came out. Like I said, it's perfect instructions. Thanks very much, Greg. All right, fellas, that's it for now. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Greg from Clearwater 124 signing off. See ya.